To add a product, please provide the following information. Temu has divided the product creation process into different steps for you to provide all of the necessary information. 1. Product information. This helps buyers get a quick understanding of what your product is and decide whether they want to buy it. Product information includes the title, description, price, attributes, specifications, images, and videos of the product. 2. Fulfillment commitment refers to the seller's obligation to the buyer, covering the period from order placement to actual dispatch, including handling time, shipping templates, and related fulfillment details. 3. Safety and compliance information. This ensures buyer safety and smooth transactions and includes manufacturer details, country of origin, etc. Getting started, choose a category. Select the most relevant and accurate categories to ensure that buyers can find your products among the millions of products sold on Temu. There are 2 ways to do this. Enter the product name to display recommended categories or use the search bar to find a category. Use saved or previously used categories. A detailed product description helps buyers get a better understanding of the product and decide whether they want to buy it. It also plays an important role in terms of it being displayed in search results. Upload images and videos to demonstrate product features, usage scenarios, and what makes the product stand out from other products. There are 2 different video types that you can upload. Product detail videos will be displayed in the product details section, while product videos will be displayed at the top of the product page. Products with videos generally get more exposure than products without videos. Select a trademark if the product has been manufactured by a specific brand. If you have not registered a trademark, you must go to Performance-Account Health and register it, then wait for Temu to review the information you submitted. You can add a logo for your trademark at any time. As providing correct trademark information improves the accuracy of the price assessment and ensures that the product matches up with search queries, we recommend that you fill in trademark information when you add the product instead of after adding the product. Step 2. Enter product details. Product details mainly refer to key product attributes such as material, style, and care instructions. The purposes of product details are as follows: providing accurate product classification information and for accurate price assessments. Reducing concerns from buyers about your products. Enhancing the position of your product in search rankings and recommendations. Step 3. Enter product variations. Variations are different versions of the same product, such as a t-shirt in XS, S, and M, and in yellow or blue. You can manage all variations flexibly without having to list them separately. To add variations, select the suitable variation type and enter the relevant details. For non-clothing products, you can choose from variation types provided by Temu. Each product can have up to 2 levels of specifications. For clothing products, only colors and sizes can be set as variations. It is not possible to set custom variations. Clothing products must include a size chart. A clear and accurate size chart helps buyers choose the right size, improves the shopping experience, and reduces the likelihood of products being returned. A product's SKU is the smallest selling unit used to distinguish between different product variations such as color and size. To improve efficiency when adding products, carefully fill in the following details. Images. These are displayed on product detail pages. Buyers can swipe between different images to learn more about products and product details. Quantity. Maintain individual inventory levels for each SKU and ensure that adequate stock is available to fulfill customer orders in a timely manner and prevent traffic loss caused by products being out of stock. Base price. This should reflect your costs and expected profit. You will receive sales proceeds based on the effective price for each product sold. Weight. Enter this based on the actual measurements of your product as it affects the reference base price. Product videos are displayed at the top of the product page. From the product video that you upload, buyers will be able to get a better idea of what the product looks like, its features, how to use it, and what it is like in real life. Videos enhance the shopping experience and help buyers make purchasing decisions. Step 4. Fill and order fulfillment information. On the offer page, you will need to provide information about the handling time, the shipping template, and delivery method. Handling time, this refers to the length of time from the order being placed to shipment. Shipping template, this contains information about delivery regions, shipping times, and fees. If no shipping template is available, click Add Shipping Template to create one. If individual shipping adjustments are required for a product, create a separate shipping template. Step 5. Safety and compliance. Safety and compliance are critical to ensuring both buyer safety and the smooth execution of transactions. In order to sell on Temu, you must provide relevant compliance documents. Ensure that all of the information you provide is accurate. Incorrect or falsified information may result in penalties, compensation for buyers, and legal consequences. Please note that different product categories and marketplaces require different compliance documents. You can skip this step when adding products, but documents must be submitted before products can be listed. After you have added a product, you can upload and view compliance documents by going to Products-Product Compliance. You can refer to more information about Temu's compliance policies by going to the Support Center. Once the product has been added, you can check the listing progress by going to Manage Products-Incomplete. Products can only be made available for sale once Temu's price assessment process has been completed and the product has been approved.
We will be looking at how to upload variation items on Walmart in bulk. But before that, we need to know what is a variant group and why it's important to group the same type of products together. A variant group is a group of individual products which share the same product information but are different by a few attributes or options such as color, size, etc. A variant group is important because it gives the customers options. You should group the same product with multiple variations together so that customers can find all your products within one page. For example, a t-shirt with different color and size options. This will allow the customers to see all the product variations you have on one page, so they do not have to find the different product variations on multiple product pages. Alright, now I'm going to show you the procedure. Log into your Walmart Seller Center. After that, you will see Walmart homepage. Go to the left side menu bar and click on Items from the product catalog. Click on Add Item from the upper right corner. You will be redirected to another page from where you can download the feed file or list items one by one. To download the feed file, click on Walmart Template. Select the fulfillment type how you want to fulfill your order. Now download the feed file. You can download the file either from Quick Setup by Match or selecting the full setup. If your products are already listed on Walmart, you can select Setup by Match option. Walmart will find your items in Walmart Marketplace and add your offer details. If you are adding new items that were not found in Quick Setup, then add your items by using Full Setup. Select the categories from the items you are adding and download the file. You can add up to 10,000 items across 7 categories in a single file. Today we are going to add items using Full Setup, so we need to select the category from the drop-down and download the file. Open the file and fill out the required information like SKU, product ID type, product ID, product name, brand, site description, key features, main image URL, selling price, shipping weight, etc. There are some recommended fields also which will increase your search visibility. Some recommended fields are additional image URL, site start date, end date, manufacturer name, part number, model number, etc. Please note, all products in a variant group should be set up as separate items. Now scroll right until you find the variant group ID column. Fill up the variant group ID attribute for all the products that should be in the same group. You can either use any of the SKUs or create a new one as the variant group ID. Select the variant attribute names. If you have multiple variant identifiers, simply copy the variant attribute names column and paste it, and this will allow you to add another variant attribute name. Mention your variant's first SKU as the primary variant in Is Primary Variant column by selecting Yes from the drop-down. Once you have completed all the required and recommended attributes, Save the file and go back to Walmart Add Items in Bulk page. Under Upload the completed spec and View Progress in the Activity Feed section, you can drag and drop the feed file or select the file from your computer. Click Submit button. You can monitor the feed status by clicking on the Activity Feed. Here you can see your feed status if it's processed or have any error. To check the error, click on the I button. Also, you can download the error file, fix the error and resubmit again. That's it. This concludes our training on how to upload variation items on Walmart using feed file. Now it's your turn to list your first variation.